Hi, my name is Roland Guijt and welcome to my course Cross-Site Request Forgery or CSRF Prevention for ASP.NET Core and ASP.NET applications. I'm a Microsoft MVP, independent consultant and trainer based in the Netherlands. Cross-site request forgery is high on the OWASP top 10 list of the most used attacks. Learn what it is and how to protect your ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core applications against it. Some of the major topics that we will cover include: what is CSRF, SameSite cookies, and anti-forgery tokens. By the end of this course, you will be able to protect your application against CSRF with confidence. Before beginning the course, you should have at least getting started level knowledge of ASP.NET Core or ASP.NET for .NET Framework. Get ready to secure your application against CSRF attacks with my course Cross-Site Request Forgery Prevention for ASP.NET Core and ASP.NET applications at Pluralsight.